What's your profession in general?
I'm a civil engineer working as a project manager for multiple million dollars Egyptian pound projects in new capital, Cairo. This is what I do daily. This is my profession. It's a project manager in a construction company.
How does your job involve the pre-calculus topic that you chose?
Okay, we run the pre-calculus topics. We have one of the pre-calculus topics that we use is the function graph. In our projects, we have a program and planning for the project. So when it shows when the project starts or the project ends. Using the function and graphs presents what's the situation of the project in certain times, so we can know if we are working on the project on track, or we are behind, or we are ahead of the project plan, and see if there is any corrective actions needed. So the functions and graphs, we use them to show these the management and or to the people that the stakeholders that we are working with. So we get to know what the situation of the project now and how to enhance it to finish the project on time.
So you also weigh in the activities in the project
Yes.
itself and how it's linked to the graph.
Yes, that's right. And we show the graph show that we use these functions, and we use these graphs so we can show and represent the actual situation on site compared to the planned situation of the project, and to see if there is any corrective actions needed, or if we are ahead of the project, what is the lessons learned that we have regarding that we are ahead. So using it's the easiest way to show these the situation is using graphs and accordingly using functions and accordingly using graphs, so we can show the situation on site and show the stakeholders and all the people working on site or outside the top management of the company the situation and the actual progress on site. So it's very important to use the functions and graphs to show this situation and the condition of the project to management.
Could you maybe give us a real-life example in which you used this topic daily?
Okay, on my daily works or on monthly work, we have presentations that need to be introduced to the project stakeholders, either the client or even the top management in our company. So we have to use the graphs and introduce some functions so we can present the real situation and the real condition of the project, and show where the project is progressing, if we are ahead or behind the project, or we are on track and going well. And using the graphs and the functions in the topic of graphing function is very important for us to show this presentation, and because showing the graph to any of the stakeholders is much better and an easy way to show the project situation, rather than typing or putting some words that might be not be interesting to the stakeholders. So it's better to use the graphs and functions to show all the progression of the project on site.
Why is understanding this concept important in your field?
Because using graphs and functions is a better way to show the real situation and the real progression of the project, rather than putting it in words that might be a little bit boring, or the people might not understand the words. So it's better to use the functions and graphs.
What advice do you have for future students learning about this topic?
Okay, so I advise all the students to learn how to use functions and how to do the graphs also. So it is very important in their real life when they start their career, and this will be helpful for them in their either in their presentations, in their works, to how to show their works on in the future. So it's an important topic that need to be studied and to be learned by the students to use them in their career.